Hi everyone, today I want to do an unboxing of this Icon Profession Snap Ring Pliers 8-piece set. And this set, it goes for like around $75. But usually I got this one for on sale, so it was like 60 bucks. I know there was another set, a 4-piece set pliers, and those were going like around $45. And I was like, when I saw these, like, I'll better take these, since you're paying extra 15, but you get like 4 more pliers included in a box, a bigger box than what it came with the other one. So this one has the internal and external, so we got a 7-inch straight external, a 7-inch straight internal. We got a 9-inch straightening external, a 9-inch straight internal. We got a 7-inch 90-degree external, and we got a 7-inch 90-degree internal. We got a 7-inch 45-degree external and a 7-inch 45-degree internal. And it has a lifetime warranty, which is good. The model number is 64597. And here's more on the side. Tells you like the 90-degree, 45-degree, and the straight. And here's more on the back. It tells you all about the pliers and everything. It's almost exactly like this front, So yeah, let's start unboxing this little guy. Let's see how it's organized and everything. It looks like it is a bit open, so let's see. That's out of this little box. I just got the case. So here we got the case, and we got, it says Icon. Looks like they painted it kind of cheaply, you could tell. Yeah, the box doesn't look like it's that strong. It looks really weak in my opinion. Yeah, it doesn't look like it'll receive a beating. Okay. But yeah, we also got this guy here. And got a zip tie here, so give me a minute. Oops, sorry. Alright. So here we got 2 little clips right here. Holding in the case. So there's one. And I'm gonna hide. And they're kind of honestly they feel cheap, in my opinion. And so there we are. They got a little foam here. You're protected. And so it tells you here. This is a 9-inch external. They got a 7-inch external, a 7-inch, and a 9-inch. So they got all the externals on one side and all the internals on the other side, which is pretty good. At least they don't have it all around, and they have it all, I know the little guy, it comes in a smaller box, but I heard there's like a little thing where you pull out from here. Like here, how this one has like that. It's like a little rod or something you pull out, and it becomes like 2 little trays individually. So yeah, but this set kind of looks, if you don't want the box, it looks like it's pretty well to me, honestly. It looks like it has like a grip and stuff, But if you want it for but if you want it with the box, over time, the little flappers on these guys are I feel like they're gonna rip off over time. They don't feel that hard. They feel kind of really cheap over time. It'll break off on you, and you just have the box like this. You have to open like this the whole time. And I kind of like it happening like this, because if you're carrying it or you grab it, it won't open like, see, here, I'll show you. See, like one day you grab this, like all smokes, and luckily they're grabbed on, but there could be one day where they just pop off. So this feels kind of cheap in my opinion, the case. But overall, looking good. Just, yeah, it feels cheap. It doesn't feel hard. And if you're paying like almost $80, honestly, but $80, it's a little pricey, but not too much, So yeah, and then it looks like the little pliers don't want to stay there anymore. They just want to come out. But yeah, look. Kind of feels like the case is really cheaply made. But yeah, Okay, so here we're going to try it here in a couple minutes, and we'll see how it functions and everything. So yeah. Okay, so we're going to use the Icon 7-inch external one. And let's get the little guy here, this little pin off, see how it functions. Okay, here he goes. So far, I did pretty well. It's holding it. Yeah, there we go. And like, you know, there we go. Did the job. Nice. All right. Now let's get this little guy back on. There we go. This did the job pretty well. All right. Overall, it does the job. I was expecting to be a little tough on the material, but it doesn't look like it. But the good thing is I have lifetime warranty, so in case you use it a lot, you know. But I feel like it's too cheap for the price, honestly. And when I was looking at here, they have internal here, internal, external, internal here. So they're not all at one side. Over here they got external, internal. So they're not all at the same place, you know what I mean? So there is going to be one mislocated from the other group. That would have been, honestly, in my opinion, would have been better if you had like external on one side, like here, you could say. Well, all these internal on this side and then external. I don't know why there was a communication here, you know? But yeah, they feel great. You know, in case you get oily, you could get a good grip. Notice that. But yeah, they kind of, that disappointed me, honestly. That just realizing when I opened the box, when I first got the pliers, I noticed that wasn't right. So the case probably won't last you forever either. So yeah. Everything else, to me, it's fine. If you're not gonna use it a lot, it's fine. It's perfect. You can have this in your toolbox, or you can have it on a shelf at the shop. You know, perfect. So yeah, overall it looks good. First, if you get it on sale, in my opinion. If you're gonna buy a full price, just wait until there's a sale if you want one. I might later down the road buy a little guy if I find it on sale, or if I, you know, don't like this one, I'll buy that little set and try it out. And if it's bad, then I'll give you a heads up on that if it's bad. But overall, it looks decently well almost. Just don't like the plastic. And I feel like they won't last that long. If you use it for a bunch of times, it probably won't last so long. Maybe later the little teeth on the little pliers will start, you know, getting messed up or start breaking away. Like, this is one of these. Which one was it there for a sec? Yeah, like this guy. Well, it hasn't chipped. It looks like it could chip. But we'll see later down the road. If I break, I'll give an update in the future. Because I don't use these that often. But it's good to have. It's better to have it than you need it than needing to have it, you know. It's better to have it. Yeah, and you can also leave it standing in case you don't want to put it against the shelf like this. But yeah, that's it. So yeah, overall. Alright, thanks.